In this video, I'm going to show you how to register Orient fan warranty. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then on here at the very top, you can see there's a bunch of buttons, and then here, the last two, second to last one is register warranty. So click on that, and then it's going to take you to a page where you can register your warranty, and as you can see, it says only applicable for fans, water heaters, and air coolers. So for you, if you're trying to actually register a fan, that's perfect. So over here, it's going to require you to basically put in your serial number, and then when you do that, click on submit. You'll have to submit some more of your personal info, as you can see over here, so such as your details and stuff like that, and then basically we'll get the verification and everything will get confirmed, and after that's done, you'll basically be able to go ahead and get your product registered for warranty. So just go ahead, enter that in, press submit, and then put on your personal info, and you'll be good to go. Now, in case you don't know how to actually find the serial number, you can go ahead and just Google it, because usually it's going to show you a bunch of different ways to do that for your specific fan. So you can just go to Google and then type in how to find serial number for example, that and that model of an Orient fan, and then when you do that, then of course you'll be able to do it. However, usually you have to check the main fan assembly motor cover or the base for a sticker or QR code, and then on there you should be able to find your serial number. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.